Austin on this beautiful MT10.
I flashed my light and I probably gotta get gas.
Yeah?
I just got gas at Shell, so. But these fucking things, it's full. And then after probably 80 miles, fucking half. And then it goes quick.
This thing's fucking beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love my MT10, but it didn't have all-lane suspension. It just had your regular like Yamaha, and it was really soft after about 80 mile an hour. Alright, we're gonna go discover some new roads. I'm running my Kali Moto app. I don't have a mic in my helmet, so I'm sorry. I won't be able to like actually do like a motovlog style video, but I'll just show you some good parts of the trip. This is an 05 R1200, and I was just running with a MT10, I don't know, probably for 5 miles. Oh my god, this bike is so good. I don't think you guys understand. I really don't. I guess I don't really need gas. This thing gets about 250, 300 miles out of tank, so.
You don't like that?
No.
That one's good.
Yeah. I usually try to run my bike out of gas.
What's it?
I usually try to run my bike completely out of gas every time I'm on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You fucking ripping on that thing. I haven't been on those roads. I'm like,
Yeah. I can't believe how that thing rides, dude.
Dude, I almost got killed yesterday. This bitch isn't halfway in my lane.
Yeah.
She's all the way in my lane, clipping lanes.
No
So
shit.
if it ain't 22 and it's only a select few roads that I'm like, I'll sail here, but
Right.
some of these back roads are like,
Typically if you're a 2-lane, I have no problem with. And you can kind of tell what kind of road you're on by how clean it is as soon as you get on it. by a cop. Oh, check this out. They got 2 turn lanes. There ain't no way that guy's eating tacos with us. Oh, that's a man of headphones.
What's up?
There ain't no way that guy's eating tacos with us.
Yeah. Oh shit, I forgot about him. Oops. Fuck.
Yeah.
Brain fart, my bad.
I did. I told him the gas station up there, I told him UDF all 42.
Does he know this place?
I think so.
Well, he's got a dog and everything. This is new. This Go Ash, I think, whatever the hell it is.